Four. Batty man trend. Lord God, them would have cut me off my life. You know what they say? The Batty man them get all power in Jamaica. I want the more you blend that one in and I stand up in like. I want the most powerful set of man them in Jamaica, you know, as much as them say Jamaica is a homophobic country. The Batty man them in Jamaica are one of the most powerful set of man them because they are insulated from everything. They are insulated from the harsh realities. Blend that one in another. They are insulated from the harsh realities, the Batty man them, so to speak, of male-female relationships because you know it change. Well, who don't know? Remember TikTok, man, one rass so I go and just know the Batty them where you see rass girl them a trick on with the same TikTok, yes, so that who don't know. But let me tell you what me know. Relationship change, woman change. Most of the man them do change because them take long to catch on. Yeah. But you see the Batty man them not change. You see them pre them in a pre all along with them in a pre. And them not have a pre nothing else. And them a climb and rise higher. And them and the woman them link. And that is a go on from long time.
Me work hard for the paper. So me a king of Jamaica.